Hi everyone, this channel is SwiftPro of Swift Programming. Today is tutorial number 3, how to save data to shareable media file on Android 10 or above. Direct save to shareable media file is not allowed on Android 10. We need to use the contentResolver of the MediaSotre API. The core process is first make an empty media file using MediaSotre API, and then save local data to this file using I/O streams. This is a screenshot while running. View binding and requesting runtime permissions are routine during app development. Let's see the Gradle file. Add build features and activity KTX to the file. Remember to click the Sync Now. Let's see the main activity file. Declare a result launcher variable for requesting runtime permissions. Declare a binding variable for view binding. Let's see the UI. This sample app has 7 UI components, 3 buttons, 2 image views, 2 text views. This code ID load local button is a button for loading a raw image. Upper code ID save public button is a button for saving data to the shareable media file. Lower code ID load public button is a button for loading that file. Upper code ID image local is an image view for raw image. Lower code ID image public is an image view for the copied shareable media file. Upper code is a text view for the local raw image label. Lower code is a text view for the saved public image label. Let's see the manifest file. Add user permission tag with write external storage attribute value. These are button click listeners. The load raw image function is for loading a raw image file. This file will be prepared to the raw resource directory. The save to public image function is for saving data to the public storage. This function calls two core functions. First, the make empty target file function. Second, the make copycat function. Because the direct save to shareable media file is not allowed on Android 10, it's needed to make an empty image file using insert function of contentResolver. We make an empty target file by passing the unique target file name to the makeEmptyTargetFile function. If successful, the content URI of the file is returned, else null is returned. The target URI value is stored for later use when the load from public button is tapped. We save data to public storage by passing the raw data stream and the target URI to the makeCopycat function. Let's see the makeEmptyTargetFile function. Because the absolute path is not allowed on Android 10, it's needed to use the relative path. Let's see the makeCopycat function. Because the direct convert from URI to file is not allowed on Android 10, it's needed to use contentResolver to get the file descriptor. We save data to the shareable image file using IOStream. The load public image function is for loading this shareable media file. Remember, we used the content URI. Note that the requesting write external storage permission is not needed on Android 10 or above, but for supporting Android 6 or above, it's needed. If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.